Hello everyone, I thought I would make a quick demo of the software you signed up for the waiting list. So let's start, see you the base functionality. It's all about creating listicle articles. So today I have this booking listing with some nice hotels, prices. I want to get that summarized into a top X list of best hotels in Lucca. So over here you can select different categories. And that helps you defining the prompts we need to use for generating the content. Then the second step, how do we generate it and choose a prompt? So one option is a custom prompt. So based on the style or the setup or the type of content, the tone, etc. You can put in your own prompt. Or you use a predefined. So in this case I want a top X hotels list. If you click on the I button, you get the full prompt. For the sake of this demo, let's pick 5 hotels in this list. Then you click on extracting links. In this case, it starts downloading the booking listing and it sees all the individual items on this page. I've developed a scoring system going from 10 to -10. In this case, there's no -10. Of the chances being an item, a specific item page or not. So the higher the score, the more likely it is an item page. You can select one, so in this case I want this one. Over here you can see some of these items have been cached, so that means that in the past hour I have generated content based on these individual listings again. So for this demo I will keep 4 items at the cache. And you can also see, okay, it needs to scrape 1 item, that will cost you 1 credit. So let's generate the listicle. Let's start scraping like we said. 4 out of 5 items were already cached in the past hour, so it doesn't need to scrape. So in this case the wizard is going to visit booking.com, circumvents all the scraping measures like anti-bot protection and stuff like that. Once it has collected all the data, including the cache, it's sending it to a right content setup. That can take some time, so let's wait a few seconds. We also don't want to overload, since it's 5 pages that it needs to analyze. So down we have this article. Every article starts with an introduction and then specific sections. So we have the 5 hotels. So you can easily move around. And you can say, okay, I want to have it on this position. We can change headings. So update 2. You can see there's autosave. So let's say in this case, I think this content needs to be longer, so my initial prompt was not good enough. I can say regenerate, new phrasing, more detail, make it shorter, change tone, or custom instructions. In this case, let's do more detail, regenerate, it's sending it back to the AI content generator. Based on the content that has been scraped, so again, it's only using the data points from the scraped content, so it's not making anything up. So in this case we got a much longer one. And then once you have this, you can start publishing it as a one-click publish. So in this case I haven't connected it, so it should give an error, which is correct. So then you can go to manage platforms. You say WordPress, add a new WordPress connection, your actual site, username and application password. So that's basically the flow. Back in your main interface, you can see all the articles that have been generated. You can click on them, edit them, and